This is number 4 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says a system of linear equations is shown on a coordinate plane. Which system of equations best represents the system shown on the graph? So I'm going to focus on this line first, and I'm going to find the equation in slope-intercept form for that line. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is positive 2, so that's going to be our b value. And then it looks like our slope is rising 1 and running 1 over and over, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So if the slope is 1 over 1, that's just equal to 1. And so I could write 1x for my equation, but we really don't need that 1 there. So I'm just going to write x plus 2 and put my y equals in front. And so now we have our first equation, y equals x plus 2. And I see that in letter A and letter B. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out letter C and D. Now, whenever I look at my second line, it's kind of hard to see the y-intercept. We can't see it on this graph. And so I'm going to do something a little bit different. I see that our two lines intersect at the point 3, 5. So that's going to be our solution. And because we have that solution, I can take the x and y value and plug them into our equations and see if letter A or letter B has equations that are true. So let's start with letter A. We have y equals x plus 2. I'm going to plug in 5 for y is equal to x. We're going to plug in 3, and then we have plus 2. So 5 is equal to 3 plus 2. That is a true statement. So far, so good. The second equation is y equals negative 4x plus 17. I'm going to plug in 5 for y is equal to negative 4 times x, which is 3, and then plus 17. And so now we have 5 is equal to negative 4 times 3, which is negative 12, plus 17. And so 5 is equal to negative 12 plus 17 is a true statement, okay, because negative 12 plus 17 is equal to positive 5. So that one checks out as well. And so that means that we're going to go with letter A. If you're struggling in Algebra 1 or you're just preparing for the Algebra 1 EOC, I want to invite you to try out my platform that I designed for students and parents that need extra help with Algebra 1. You'll get access to every single lesson you'll ever need for Algebra 1, almost 1,000 practice problems with explanations that you can go through, and you can compete with everybody else on the platform to see who can earn the most points from completing lessons and quizzes. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description.